year is gone. From time to time, I had some fun. Will I ever trust me in letting me fall? Remote control, don't need it at all. Hours, minutes, seconds, days, eventually a year has by. I'm looking deep into my time. What have I done? And why?